Do you ever gaze at your kitchen cabinets and ponder over a color change? The hues you choose can dramatically enhance your kitchen's aesthetic appeal, infusing it with personality and style. Today, we delve into the kitchen cabinet color trends of 2024. Starting with rich browns, a color trend adding depth and dimension. Dark-toned wood cabinets enhance cool-colored backsplashes and light marble counters. Rich brown cabinets are an excellent option for a sophisticated, timeless look. Moving away from all-white, warm colors like taupe and beige are making waves. They offer a striking contrast to darker floors and countertops. Taupe and beige cabinets infuse warmth and elegance, perfect for a modern kitchen. But the color palette doesn't end there. Let's dive into the other hues making waves in kitchen design this year. Stained natural wood look is making a triumphant return, providing a cozy, rustic aesthetic that's a refreshing departure from the all-white trend. Then we have baby blue, a soothing shade that creates a welcoming vibe, especially when paired with white marble counters or colorful backsplashes. And who can forget timeless black? This powerful color adds weight and depth to the room, a perfect backdrop for vibrant walls and a savior for mismatched cabinets. But if you're after a bit of warmth, consider colors with warm undertones. Reds and oranges bring vibrancy to the kitchen, beautifully complementing quartz countertops and subway tile backsplashes. Alternatively, warm whites like ivory and eggshell give you the clean look of white but with a homey, inviting vibe. For a sophisticated touch, look no further than navy blue cabinets. They offer a timeless appeal that complements a range of kitchen designs and textures. Deep blue cabinets, inspired by the outdoors, strike a perfect balance between comfort and mystery. Pair them with gold hardware for an added touch of elegance. Earthy tones like dark green and bold corals add depth and sophistication, or passion and excitement respectively, breathing life into your kitchen. From deep blues to vibrant corals, the possibilities are endless. So, are you ready to transform your kitchen? Let's recap. Rich browns, warm taupe and beige, dark natural wood, soothing blues, timeless black, warm undertones, inviting whites, navy and deep blues, earthy greens and vibrant corals. Remember, your kitchen is a reflection of you, so let your colors shine.